Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Zabs Ants here. We are at Andamanda Water Park in Phuket. Brand new water park. I think pretty much it's probably Thailand's newest water park.
Yeah, I'd say so.
We're going to get our tickets.
Yes.
And
show you around.
jump on some slides.
Sawadee ka.
Movement here. Check your bag.
Yes.
Cannot water, cannot put inside.
No food or anything.
Okay, finish.
Kapong ka.
Get inside.
Okay.
Yes, thank
you.
you very much. Have a good day. You're not allowed to obviously take any food or drink in. I guess it's kind of understandable. And kind of the same as Blue Tree. Like most water parks, it's cashless.
Yes.
So you have to top these little bad boys up to get drinks and food and stuff like that.
Pretty cool, aren't they? Little watches.
Cool to keep one, wasn't it?
Yeah, so how much was it for
So it's
entrance?
850. I know it's going up to 1,150.
It's like almost double, right?
No, it's not double. I thought it was, but it's not. It's like an extra 300 or 400.
Okay.
The locker's 150. So I mean, it works out about £40 for both people at the moment.
Yeah, I would suggest bringing your own towels as well because it's just...
You have to rent them.
Yeah, if not you have to rent them and it's just a little bit of a price save.
It's all changed.
Yeah,
We're ready to go. We got the little new chest mount and the phone. Yeah, we are way more prepared than we have been in the past of these water park videos.
I know. We're ready for everything.
This place is massive, isn't it?
It's so cool.
Lazy River over there.
Over there. And you can do the surfing thing for free, isn't it?
I think so. So far, you just have to sign a waiver, and I think you'll give that a little go.
No. Quite nervous actually. My stomach is like got butterflies. That was so much fun. I didn't close my eyes for something.
I was trying to hold the GoPro and I swear to God, my bloody hat, my hand was going to break holding it.
We got this gear as well. Oh, we should have used this.
Oh yeah, why didn't we?
That would have been perfect. But I would have had to like turn it towards you, wouldn't I? Anthony is inside. He's right in the middle, purple one. So nervous right now. Whoa, there he is. How was that? That fun?
Just going on another slide.
It's so weird to go like this.
Sabrina's got the chest mount on, so it's a bit difficult to film. But there we are.
Going in this one.
Yeah.
Oh my god! That was fun! The water went all in my mouth!
That tastes really funny as well, isn't it? An Angel's Slide.
Angel slide.
Not a very out there name.
What's that? That was on your forehead.
That is, looks like a little worm.
Ew. Goes all the way down here and around, and then you go out there. So it's a pretty long one, isn't it?
Yeah, sick. Really cool. So good. How are you feeling?
Nervous. What about you?
Pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
That one was sick.
So cool.
Just gonna get some food, aren't we?
Grub, yeah.
It's bloody expensive,
It
isn't
does
it?
look quite pricey. We've got 500 baht on our
Dongle
wrist
thing.
thingies. That's what the place looks like.
Everything looks brand new, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, it is brand new. So
Yeah, it is brand new, yeah. Oh, pineapple fried rice. Oh, spicy sour soup. Green curry's not bad. Sweet and sour pork. Oh, I might get the chicken with cashew nuts. See anything you like?
No.
Oh, look at those kebabs.
I know, they look good.
Oh my god. Chicken ones. That's not really bad,
No, that's probably the
129.
cheapest thing in it. No.
On the grill.
So we sacked off that bit of that food base, it's a bit too expensive. We've come here.
Yeah, look how cool. It's so beautiful. They do Italian, they do American, curry world, and they do Thai food. And look how lovely. Imagine if you could go and eat on one of these.
Yeah, we went on that and
We
it was nuts.
did. And we went backwards as well. We already said that, but yeah, it was pretty terrifying. Oh, look at the desserts.
Wow, that rainbow cake was amazing.
Whoa.
There's no bloody carrot cake, is there?
Yeah? I'll put that on here and you can try that. Ooh, we got our
What
food.
in the world have you ordered in here?
It's my cauliflower curry.
Yeah. Bit of a weird contraption, isn't it?
Yeah. Cauliflower.
That looks lovely, doesn't it? Beautiful views, beautiful lady, beautiful chicken kapow. Just finished up eating, what did you think?
It was okay. But
Yeah?
then I did get like
Like-
just cauliflower, curried cauliflower, so I don't know what I expected, you know what I mean?
The holy basil, chicken, spicy, pad kapow, whatever it's called, is absolutely lovely.
Yeah, it had a kick to it, didn't it?
Yeah,
Can't do chili.
Add a kick to it. And then we're just
Oh my
gonna
god, my feet. This floor is horrible.
and then we're just gonna go in the lazy river, aren't we?
Yes, we are headed to the lazy river. It's really dead as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Let the food go down.
I think to make the boys wink.
Oh yeah. Go on, get in it gracefully.
This is quite a fast one.
It is, isn't it?
Lazy river's nice and lazy, isn't it?
It's just quite nice and lazy.
It's quite fast, to be fair.
It's faster than all the other ones we've been on, I think.
Yeah.
And there's a lot more
Wet zones.
interesting features, I'd say. I'm like a motorboat. Being at this place is like getting a free pedicure, isn't it?
Going in the wave pool. Lovely. Gonna dunk
Where's
ya.
the waves at?
I don't know, they should start them soon, shouldn't they?
Oh, it feels crazy.
What are you doing?
That's life, isn't it?
It was the best wave pool I think we've ever been in.
Yeah,
It was epic.
so cool.
We're going on this red bad boy, aren't we?
Indeed.
Woo! Beach club vibes. You can also rent these villas for the day.
Yeah, I don't know why you'd want to do that.
No, it does seem a little bit odd to go to a water park for a day and rent a villa, but I guess maybe if you've got some parents, maybe you got
don't get like
maybe you got your nan and your
fun.
your nan and your grand Bit calmer. Your nanny and your granddad that don't want to be like in the sea, in the sun and everything, so they can just chill there. Do you know what I mean? Watch the kiddies.
Yeah. I just go out on one of the beach lounges though.
Ready, are ya?
Ready.
Ready.
That was intense. That was so fun.
That was epic, wasn't it?
Pretty intense.
Super quick.
Yeah.
Right.
I think I prefer the blue one though, don't you?
Yeah, by miles.
Yeah.
And that's based, I believe, or we believe, like Sabrina just pointed out, on the James Bond Island, which we recently went to, and we'll put that video up here.
Yeah.
Here.
My birthday.
It was your birthday video, Andaman Bay.
Sliding rock.
Sliding rock.
We haven't done that one, I don't think.
Oh, I don't know. Nearly there. Oh, I'm bloody tired. Bloody tired. Excited?
Yeah.
Nervous?
No, this one's gonna be calm.
Same, yeah.
Yeah. That was really fun. It's really hard.
It's way
I
harder,
think
yeah.
it's like really diagonal.
I know. It's hard, isn't it?
Oh, I didn't even get to put my arms out.
I know.
I thought it was going to be so much better than that.
I feel like I did alright.
You did. I couldn't stay like centered.
Yeah.
Did you see? I did like a flip into the wall.
You did like a 360. It was nuts. That was super, super fun.
That last bit when I got pushed back up, I got so much water
I
shock
know,
in my
yeah.
mouth.
My trousers came down the first time. I was like, oh god.
You look so sick, like, ooh.
Here she goes.
So much fun. I held my nose that time.
Did
Way
you?
better.
Yeah.
Yeah. I really like that one. Whoa. You're like a rocket. Wow, I did not expect you to go that fast.
That's so
How was
sick.
that?
Yeah, really good.
You prefer that one to
Yeah,
the purple one?
The purple one's good. I want her to do the purple one.
No way.
Come on, do it.
Nah, I'm alright.
What do you think of those ones?
Yeah, really fun.
The next time you come back, if we come back, you've got to do the scary drop ones.
I know, but I've already done it before. Really?
Put it in the comments if you think that Sabrina should definitely try the scariest ride as the first ride the next time she comes in.
If that is a clause, then you actually have to go to a theme park.
What, and go on the roller
Go on
coasters?
all the rides.
Okay, deal.
Yeah.
You've heard it here first, kids. This is the kiddies area, isn't it?
It is a kiddies area. It's really big actually.
It's huge, isn't it?
I feel like, I don't know, is it bigger than the one in Bangkok?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you want to come with your entire family,
Yeah, there's something for everyone.
something for everybody, yeah.
Even if you just want to like hang out in the lazy river or the wave pool, you know.
Easy.
Yeah. Oh, that is tricky. See the other way as well.
Here's the map of everything.
Big place actually, isn't it?
Super big.
Yeah.
Really big.
Really cool. Plenty of slides.
So guys, that just about wraps this one up at Andamanda Water Park. Had a really good time. It's pretty cheap to come, to be honest with you. I don't know what the price is going up to. I think they're 1,150 baht each.
Yeah.
The food is pretty okay.
You've got
it's
a
pretty
big
good.
selection,
They have
actually.
a little bit expensive, but worth it overall. The amount of
Yeah.
slides and everything is absolutely unreal.
Yeah, so much fun.
Yeah, we had a blast. And the surfing thing, most of the time in water parks you have to pay for those, don't you?
It's always extra.
This one was free, well included.
Included,
Yeah,
yeah.
which is rad. There's a little gift store, you get your photos taken everywhere. But no one took our photo, unfortunately, so we had to take our own. But yeah, if you liked it, like, comment and subscribe as always, and we'll see you in the next one.
one.
Bye.
Bye.